Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that India's Nari Shakti have reached new heights through their hard work, courage and confidence. He urged everyone to come together to empower women by expanding opportunities. Addressing the Nari Shakti Vandan Sammelan in New Delhi today, PM Modi said that India is going to take one of the biggest decisions of the 21st century, and this decision is dedicated to women's empowerment. He said the parliament is on the verge of creating a new history, one that will fulfill the aspirations of past and the future. PM Modi said, from the state legislative assemblies to the parliament of the country, the long wait of decades is coming to an end on the 16th, 17th and 18th of this month. He said in 2023 in the newly constructed parliament building, the government took the first step in the form of the Nari Shakti Vandan Adhiniyam so that it could be implemented in time. Prime Minister Modi stressed on the need to provide reservation for women in democratic structure as the women's participation strengthens the country's democracy. Acknowledging nationwide enthusiasm among women on this issue, the Prime Minister observed that women across the country are voicing their aspiration about reaching assemblies and the Lok Sabha. Mr. Modi said their dreams have received new wings and a positive atmosphere have been created in the country. Bureau Report News Now.